Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at the lime kiln. Yeah, I know, it's pretty exciting, huh? Come on, let's go take a look and see what this thing says. So walking to the top of the mountain, you get to this thing, and it says lime kiln, and then it has all this information, and it literally has like stuff on it. This plaque was unveiled on Tuesday, 28 September 2021 by Han blah, 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 Minister of blah, 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 to mark the restoration of the old lime kiln. And then if you go up here, and I'm sure this isn't, there's nobody around, there's not a parking spot, there's nothing, but it has information about it. And so I figure I'd do a video on it just in case somebody wanted to see a lime kiln. The Rock of Gibraltar is Jurassic limestone massif. The abundance of limestone has been exploited as a source of construction material in Gibraltar in the middle of times, and that's what it looks like. Get away from me, bug. And then this is the pictures of it. Limestone, location of another lime kiln. Inside the lime kiln, what do they do with lime? Huh. The Rock of Gibraltar is a Jurassic limestone massif. The abundance of limestone has been exploited as a source of construction material in Gibraltar since medieval times. The lime kiln, which has been restored under the guidance of the Gibraltar National Museum and the Ministry of Heritage, was constructed in the 19th century or the very early 20th century. It is one of two such lime kilns located on Gibraltar, blah, blah, blah. Quicklime was produced by burning limestone in a kiln in temperatures above 900 degrees. Oh, that's pretty hot. The end product was a very corrosive substance that was then mixed with water to produce slacked lime or cal. This product formed the basis of mortars and cement. Oh, okay. And was also used to make whitewash and paint houses and blah, blah, blah. The kiln was encased using limestone blocks and heated resistant bricks. The rough design of the construction. Okay. Moorish castle. Okay. Administration of vegetation. Okay. So this is the kiln. And it is crazy thick. I mean, I bet it's, if I look in here, if I go from this side of the wall to the inside, I bet it's, to there, way over there, that's probably, 6 feet. So it's probably 6 feet around, 6 feet thickness, but then inside, wow, it got so hot that it bent that steel beam. Very cool. Okay. I've never seen a lime kiln before, and let's see if we can see. Can you get to the top of it? Man, I've been walking a lot today. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can get to the top of it. Okay, so cool. So this is how thick it is. So how thick is that? That's probably 2 feet, 3 feet thick, maybe 3 feet thick. And this is what it looks like down the hole. Okay, well, and it was produced with limestone itself. So, very cool. Okay, everybody, a lime kiln. Welcome to Gibraltar. Bye, everybody.